Ever wondered if you could build a full website and marketing plan all with the help of one AI agent? Well, today I'll show you how you can do that step by step using MGX.DEV, the all-in-one AI platform for website creation and research. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In the last part, we tested the deep research mode, which gave us a complete detailed report about OpenAI Sora 2 Pro. Once MGX.DEV finishes writing everything in detail, the next step is to turn that research into a website. So here's how it works. You'll start by mentioning your team members. For example, I'll add Mike as the team leader. Then I'll enter a simple command like create a website. Right after that, MGX.DEV will begin generating a fully functional website based on your deep research results. Just wait a few seconds, and here you go. Your website is ready. You can preview it right away. It automatically includes all the key sections like About, Portfolio, Services, and Contact page. Everything is beautifully structured and fully responsive. You can also preview the site in desktop or mobile mode, download it, or copy the code, all with one click. If you want to make changes, it's super easy. Just click on the Publish button to publish your site or edit and update it directly. You can even share your website instantly on Instagram, TikTok, X, Twitter, and many other platforms, or simply export it. Now, let's move on to another exciting feature, the race mode. To try it out, just enable race mode and enter your new prompt. For example, I'll type, generate a 3D content plan for LinkedIn to promote a startup. Click generate, and MGX.DEV will start processing. It might take a little time, but that's because it's running multiple AI engines at once, like DeepSeek, GPT-5, CloudSonic, and Queen 3 Coder Plus, all competing to deliver the best result. Once the race is over, it will ask you to choose the one you like most. For example, I like the Queen 3 Coder Plus result, so I'll select it and click I'm loving this one to confirm. MGX.DEV will then update the page accordingly. After a few seconds, you'll see a complete detailed plan generated based on your prompt. And if you want to go even deeper, you can again mention your team member, like Mike, and enter commands such as show everything in detail. The system will then create a new version with additional details. You can see this on the left side of your dashboard as a new file. So in short, deep research mode helps you dig deep into any topic, while race mode lets multiple AI agents compete to give you the most optimized, creative, and detailed output. You can use MGX.DEV to build websites, create research reports, and generate marketing plans, all from a single text prompt. The link of MGX.DEV is available in the video description. Go try it out yourself and see how powerful this AI agent really is. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.